Always got to make sure your door ties are latched on. Last thing you need is for your doors to come off and swing around and snap all those hinges. I've had that happen. It's not fun. When I drove semi, the door latch broke and smack, crack, 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 and the door fell down to the ground. So always make sure you have your door ties latched. Now the fun part. I gotta drop those babies down. Oh yeah, almost forgot. Put this thing right under there. Alrighty, so I'm in a 2013 Hino 338. It's a 7 class truck. An 8 class would be like a semi. So this is a 7 class truck. Air brakes, automatic transmission, and air ride suspension, air seat. Just company that I work, that I'm leased on with, they have straight trucks, company straight trucks, and I'm in one of these until I get my van fixed with my transmission. So I went through a transmission again. Just bad luck. I'll do another video on that, but I'll quickly show you the cab. This is just a day cab. Regular straight truck, no sleeper. So you got your gauges, you know, for your lights, cruise control, your interior light thing, for your actual set, resume, slow down, whatever for your cruise. And on this side, it's for your 4-ways, windshield washers, your turn signals, stuff like that. Well, turn signals on the other side. I think this is for, oh yeah, this is for the windshield washer fluid. And your turn signals are on that side. And it has like some GPS or something. AC, heat, little auxiliary power thing. Emission stuff. This is for your particulate filter to do a regen, and suspension height to raise and lower the airbags on the suspension for the box. And your 2 people can sit on that seat, or you know, maybe whatever his name is, the big boy or somebody, you know, from Elias Brothers, Fricks or whatever, can sit there. So yeah, that's just it. That's the whole kit and caboodle. It was a straight truck to do. You can load these things up for like 14,000 pounds, 15,000 pounds on them. And single rear wheel, as you've seen, and 28-foot box. And I think they're just gonna use this to do locals and stuff with, and it's all right truck. I've never driven a Hino. It's okay once you get the hang of it. Little things are in a different area, but it's you know, pretty cool. I like it. So thanks for watching, and I will talk to you guys on the next one. Bye for now.